Hi, I was just sent this nail polish remover kit, and this is a much easier way to get nail polish off without having to scrape the file on your nails and just damaging your nails doing the file. This is just a way easier way to do that. So this is a silicone top here, and you just, when you open it up, you put some nail polish remover in there, which I've already done in this clear plastic bowl. And it's nice that there's two bowls, just in case you lose one. And you just lock this back in place, and you turn it on to steam. It also came with this cuticle remover here. You can push your cuticles back and scrape the nail off using this device as soon as it gets loosened by the machine. It also comes with two different types of files, a more heavier grit one and then more of a buffer. The extra bowl inside and the one inside of it also has these measurements of milliliters on the side just so you can see how much nail polish remover you are putting into the machine. And it also comes with this very handy lid, which is nice for storage. You just set that on there and it packs it all away. It comes with the charging cord, which you just plug it in while you work, and then you can unplug it and store it all away when you're done. I left that to heat up, and it only took a few minutes. Before you put your hand in, if you have gel polish or anything on, you're just going to want to file off the top coat, and then your hand is ready to go in. You just put it in like this. It's nice and easy to rest here. Silicone mechanism. And then you just wait until it beeps again, and then you're good to scrape off your polish. When you're done, you can use any of these tools, and you can start scraping off your nails, and they should come right off with ease. And I think this is a great way to get your gel nails off.